Hey everybody, it's Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. Thank you for stopping in for another special STEM project. Today we're going to have fun with a rain cloud. But first I have to ask, who likes the rain? Okay, so we're about half and half, okay. So we have some who say, I don't like the rain, which is the title of this book by Sarah Dillard. And our friends here are kind of, well, they're not split. So we have one for I like rain, and then everybody else is I don't. So there's some likes and then there's some don'ts, right? Now, what are we going to do and how to have fun with a rain cloud? Now, the things you need, we need some shaving cream. Comes in a bottle just like that, or a can rather. We need a clear container. So clear means you can see right through it, and we already have some water in it, so you also need some water. We also need some food coloring, and then also some small containers, and you could put some water in it. So what colors do we have? What color is this? Green, very good. Okay, what color is this? Blue, excellent. And this last one, what color is this? Well, some are split, yes. It could be, it looks orangey, but it's actually red. Not bad, you know your colors. Very good. All right, so that was the food coloring. Spoons, or if you have little droppers to put the dye in, to put the coloring in, and just drop it in the water. And then we're ready to go. Okay, and then the small containers, of course, to hold your food coloring in. Okay, so now, who likes the rain again? This is also another book called Who Likes the Rain, and this was written by Etta Kaner. Now, while you put the water in your container and also put the water, mix up your food coloring in the different containers, I'm just going to talk a little bit about why do we like the rain. And we have a group of friends here who said, I like the rain because I like to see a lot of snails. And one is wondering, I wonder how snails get their shells. So that's one thing, one reason to like the rain. We have another friend who says, I like the rain because it helps my garden grow. And the thought is, I wonder why plants need water. Deep questions, right? But you mean not deep? They are. Think about it. Just like we get thirsty, right? So when you get thirsty, where do you get your water from? Okay, you can go in, go get to the sink and get some water from there. Excellent. You have some in your fridge. That's right. Or you have, maybe some bottled water. So plants get their water how? Okay, you water it. That's right. But we get them from how else do plants get their water? Very good. Rain. So that's a good reason why rain is needed. Because we want our plants to grow. We want our plants to grow, so we grow fruit and we grow vegetables. And we need water to make that possible, right? That's right. Okay, fine. You don't like vegetables. That's but we still need the water, okay? All right, we still need the rain. So, all right. So, how you doing with your water? And how you doing with your food coloring? Excellent. Okay. So, now are you wondering, where does rain come from? Well, we also have another book, and this is from the Top Secret Nature Collection, written by Marie Rogers. And let's find out where water comes from, or where rain comes from. Now we're making our rain cloud. So this is called a cloud. It's cold. It gets very cold inside clouds. There are even little pieces of ice. The ice mixes with water and becomes the water droplets, big and heavy. The drops keep forming in the clouds until it's, guess what? Time to rain. So now we know where it comes from. It's raining. It's pouring. When the clouds can't hold more water droplets, it starts to rain. Rain is a kind of, and this is a big word, precipitation. Can you say that, guys? Precipitation. Oh, you guys are good with your words. And sometimes it rains for only a few minutes. Other times it rains all day. Now think about it. Has it rained near you lately? Kinda. Is it raining right now? Look outside and let me know, okay? So how you doing? You got your water and everything? All right, very good. So now we're going to move on to our next step. So I got my water in the clear container because you want to be able to see it, right? And I got my spoons, all of my food coloring here. I'm just going to put one in each one. Got to be careful so I won't spill it. Oh. And now it's time to put on and put in the shaving cream. So I'm going to take off that, give it a little shake, and we're going to aim right inside. And we're just going to make our cloud. Now see how that's sitting? I'll put it a little closer so you can really see it. Looks like something to drink, right? But that is our cloud. So now we're going to take our food coloring and we're just going to pour it right there on top. See how that is coming down? Oh, look at that. Now that's pretty much how a rain cloud acts, right? Once it is so full of droplets, what happens, guys? Rain happens. Very good. So that's blue rain. So we got blue. Let me see what other color we're going to use. Our green. I'm also going to do the same thing. And just pour it right over and check out what's happening. Slowly. Look at that. It's coming down. We're making our own rain. It is coming down, guys. I'm just going to pour a little bit more in. How's your rain coming? Oh, is it taking its sweet time? Well, that's okay. That's how rain does, right? Sometimes rain comes down really, really fast. Comes down with a lot of wind. Or sometimes it comes really, really slow, right? Just taking its time. And sometimes we like it while we're inside, right? We don't have to deal with it. We don't have to bring out an umbrella or wear our boots, but sometimes we have to walk out in it, right? And that's when we have to break out an umbrella sometimes. Put on some boots, maybe a different coat, right? So we can stay dry. Now look at this. Now pour it carefully. You don't want to spill it and falling all over. If you need help, like we always say, right? Like we always recommend, please ask for assistance from a parent, an older sibling, or another sibling, babysitter, caregiver, because while we value and love that you love science, we value your safety even more. Wow. So how did yours come out? Pretty cool, right? Look at that. Just going to bring it a little closer so you can see how my rain cloud turned out. Yep, it's a little dark. All the colors blended together. But check out the cloud on top. And that's what happens when it rains. First we see the what in the sky? We see the clouds most of the time, right? It gets really dark. And then all of a sudden, water, right? We have to go and run, or maybe we're already inside, which is best. And we also, from the book Weather Report, It's Rainy, from Tadpole Books, what do? Sometimes we have to wear some cool boots, another coat, and or sometimes, guess what? If it's not so bad, we can play in the rain. Absolutely. Well, this is Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. Thank you for stopping by for another special STEM project, and I hope that you get to play in the rain. Take care, guys. Have fun. And until we meet again, so long for now.